Hey all, it's Cody Wyman here. If you've ever wanted to write a book, if you ever wanted to publish a book, the Self-Publishing Blueprint, your step-by-step guide to making your first $1,000, this is for you. It may be a small book, but it is jam-packed with so much information. I am only halfway through the book and I have learned so much about book creation, about writing your own books versus hiring other people, ranking your books. One of the key things that has stood out to me in this book is the keyword stacking or the niche um, uh, chapters. These are very important on a place like Amazon Kindle, um, and it's helped me to niche down my topics and what I'm interested in. I do a lot of music, so I'm interested in that and writing about it and teaching about it. And it helped me niche down all that and stack my keywords so that I can rank on Amazon. So if you need a step-by-step guide, go out and pick this up. It's for free right now. And get on your way to Kindle publishing success.